What's up YouTube? So I only have a little bit of battery left, so I'm gonna try to do this tutorial in like really quick, okay? So I already started off with my brows. I just filmed eyebrow videos, so don't forget to watch that if you want to know how to do my eyebrows. I use this Kosas concealer in 1.5C. I'm gonna use it for the rest of my face also. It's kind of similar to my no makeup look, but this one I want it to look like makeup still. But yeah, so I'm basically just spot concealing all of my blemishes that I'm trying to cover up. Anything that doesn't fit the aesthetic, which at this point I feel like just dunking my whole face in this concealer, to be honest. And then I'm gonna just blend it out with this little sponge. You also want to make sure that you have a really good skincare routine. So like my skin is super shiny because I just prepped it with skincare, and I have this SPF that's like super glowy. So I do like to keep my under eyes like not concealed because I still want like the natural look. And I actually even kind of like accentuate like the color under my eyes with this blush. It's from Makeup by Mario. I put it already on my eyelids and I mixed it with this Nova Beauty color. I'll show you. But just in case you do get concealer under your eyes, this will help like blend out any creases, but at the same time give you like a little color. But it's like natural because it doesn't look powdery, it's just like a blush. But yeah, so this is how you get the like no concealer look. So this is what really like makes it look like your actual skin, even though it's not. Just like that. And then for my eyelids, I mixed it with this color. It's called Shade from the Nova Beauty palette. Literally, it's like super simple. So the whole point of like the glass skin also is that you want it to look super dewy. So that's why like dewy products is really important for before you actually put the makeup on. And also I don't end up setting my entire face basically. So everything that's on here is just gonna stay like this like throughout the whole day. But I will take this Fenty Beauty contour stick in number 9 Amber Suede. I'm just gonna add a little bit on my cheeks, and then I'm gonna just blend that in. But I like to leave it just like that, like I won't set anything. But it just gives you like a little more structure. So for the rest of my face, I'm gonna just add some blush. For the blush, I'm gonna use the MAC Totally Synced Glow Play blush because it's like creamy, but it turns into powder as you apply it. And I just put this on my cheeks and over my nose. And then if you still want a little more blush, I just put this, the Mario blush on top. It's in Desert Rose. And I just put like whatever is excess like on my nose. I'm trying to hurry because I know my camera's about to die. So just to add like a little more glow, I'm gonna use this cookie highlight from Benefit. It just like is super buttery and it just melts straight into your skin, but it gives you like prettiest glow. I like to put that on my chin, cheeks, and nose. But I like to put this on my nose because I didn't contour my nose, but this will kind of give like the contour illusion. So I'm gonna finish my makeup. I'm gonna just put some mascara on and do my lips, and I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm back. I did put some fake moles on for like the spots on my face that are just like the blemishes that are just too crazy, you know. I did put on a set of lashes. They're like super natural, so they're the Kiss lashes in Shy. And I just did my lips. I just used my MAC lip liner in Stone, and then this chapstick. It's from Labello. It's like the rose one, I think. Yeah, soft rose. And I just blended that in, so it's still like chapstick but elevated. I didn't set the rest of my face, so this is really like what it looks like. This is how I get my glass skin look. I'm gonna just zoom up so you can really see up close. It's like super dewy, super soft, super easy like chill. It's like my chill day makeup, so yeah. What it looks like. It's raining outside, so I don't know if I should do my hair or not, but I'll probably just put it in like a bun or something. But to be honest, I don't really feel like doing all that right now. I barely even wanted to film this video. I've been like in bed for 2 days, and so it's literally a miracle and a half that I'm even filming these videos right now. So I hope you like it. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you recreate it. I hope you have a good day.